Hello, how are you guys doing today? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of coming to my YouTube channel, do not forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family, and definitely leave a comment on what you would love to see on my YouTube channel. And today, I'm going to be making peppered beef. You know, all the combination of green peppers, red bell pepper, with beef and curry and thyme and everything going together into one pot. And dishing it out. Yeah, I really love this dish and it's just one of the best small chops, finger foods, like I would love to call it. Well, without further ado, let's get cooking and let's enjoy. The first step is to add some beef into a pot. For this video, I'm using 2.5 pounds of beef, all washed and cut up, then some salt and seasoning to taste, as well as some curry and thyme. I am going to be adding ginger paste into the mixture and some red onions. Then I am going to thoroughly stir so that all the flavors can be incorporated. Then I'm going to cover so it could cook in its own juice for 5 to 7 minutes. After 5 to 7 minutes, I'm going to stir and I would be adding a 1/4 cup of water. Then I'm going to cover and cook for 7 more minutes. So you should be cooking your beef for 14 to 15 minutes in total. By this time, the beef should be well done already. And now it's time to fry. So you just have to slightly fry your beef, not, we don't want to go for the dark brown color, just light brown color. In a pan, I'm using a wok pan for this video, so in a pan we're going to add some oil and add some pepper mixture. So this pepper mixture consists of red bell pepper, tomatoes, onions, and habanero pepper, all coarsely blended. I'm going to be adding some salt and seasoning to taste, and I'm going to let it cook till it's thoroughly dehydrated. So by dehydration, I mean you should be able to see some oil on the surface of the pepper by the time it is done frying, just like it is in the video. Set aside at least 2 scoops of pepper, then add your beef into the pepper mixture and also add your garnishments such as red bell pepper, green bell pepper, onions, spring onions, and whatever you got. So you stir thoroughly. By this time you shouldn't be cooking again, and even if at all you would be doing any cooking, it should be very, very low heat. Then add some of the reserved pepper to cover up for the losses. Stir well till everything is incorporated. Then guess what? You are good to go and ready to serve the meal of the day. Enjoy.